In today's video, we're taking a look at an alternative way to adjust your stand mixer, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we used on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and tried to adjust your stand mixer the traditional route, turning the screw where you weren't able to. Or you did and you need more height. If you haven't and you want to check out that video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and disconnect our machine, because the last thing you want before having your baked goods is to die. We're gonna go ahead and remove the bowl and the attachments, and this is so we can have access to the bottom plate of the stand mixer. And for this technique, we're gonna use a screwdriver. In this case is a Phillips screw. In your case, it might be a flathead screw. Always remember the ancient rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're gonna go ahead and remove the screws so we can have access to the inside of the plate. And what we basically want to do is raise the height of the plate, therefore raising the height of the bowl. So different from turning the screw, which lowers the attachment, or depending in your case, makes it higher. This way we go the alternative route. And this technique will work with stand mixers with screw-on plates. In other stand mixers, you can place the coin right under the bowl on top of the plate. As you can see, this hasn't been cleaned, but with the magic of video, now it is. And what we're basically going to do is add a material which raises the plate from the bottom. As you can see, you can use coins, but remember, you can use any material, preferably flat. And we want this so there won't be any movement on the machine, especially at high speeds. We want to go ahead and try to cover as much area as we can with the material. And using these types of coin, the highest that we can get is 2 levels of coins using the screws provided in the stand mixer. Another alternative to get more height, you can always buy longer screws at the hardware store, but we notice with 2 coins is more than enough. And remember, you don't want to lift the bowl so much that it scrapes the bottom, because the last thing you want on your food is metal shavings. And we second that you should get your iron intake from another source. And remember, this might be something that you would have to play with the amount of material that you add to the specific height that you want. And now, like every great DIY story, we're gonna reverse engineer our way back to freedom. As you can see, we placed a small coin and we are able to move it all around, which in our case is good enough for our needs. Now you done it, grasshopper. You become a master in the leveling world of the universe. Now we'll see what materials we can add to our sneakers to get some extra height. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community may help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.